Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PDF editor on your laptop. First, you'll need to open your chosen PDF editing software. Most programs allow you to simply drag and drop your PDF file into the application window or use an open file option. Once loaded, you can navigate through pages, zoom in or out, and begin exploring the various tools available for modifying your document. It's quite straightforward to get started. Editing text and images is a core function. To change existing text, select the Edit Text tool, click on the text you wish to alter, and type your changes. You can also add new text boxes anywhere on the page, choosing your preferred font, size, and color. For images, use the Edit Object or Image tool to insert new pictures, resize them by dragging corners, or move them to a new position. You can also easily delete elements you no longer need. Annotations and markups are excellent for reviewing and collaborating. You can highlight important text using the highlighter tool, choosing from a spectrum of colors. Add sticky notes or comment boxes to provide feedback or ask questions. Drawing tools allow you to add circles, arrows, or lines to draw attention to specific areas. For sensitive documents, use the redaction tool to permanently black out confidential information, ensuring privacy and security before sharing. Organizing your PDF is simple. You can easily rearrange pages by dragging and dropping their thumbnails, delete unwanted pages, or insert new ones from another file. Many editors also let you merge several PDF documents into a single, cohesive file, or conversely, split a large PDF into multiple smaller ones. Once you're finished, remember to save your changes. You can also export your PDF to various formats, such as Microsoft Word or Excel, for further editing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.